So same as the recorder. So raised to me just call her free the formulas into sin janta going. Raised to me call free the formula Sean Shaw, I guess the formulas are Lena Sean Shaw, the availability at the venue. Okay? So new to me touch it la E can Sean Shaw. So she can never get her called cost of A minus B quadrumla Shaw. So we just want to prove what's a quadrumla. Okay? So raised a good G shot. Camera solace. Shad is in a killer right there. A rubber doll, camera solace. Right. So now Rish Mahashmi Jafla can every care to me get crew goal cost of A minus B quadrumla. So then you be in the word show Jonathan you just 3 more you have. So quadrumla cos A cos B minus or plus sin A sin B. Short formula every care. So it's not question 4, it's just formula every care. So short test every heat. Prove stating what formula from trigonometry and coordinate geometry are assumed. Okay? Now, reached the proof for on the shot. Now, when you count on shot, chalk on the jacket, kite to go in the tasha as a circle. Okay? So reached to let the compass harness jack circle. Okay? So to Mr. School harness jack circle to your line. So you have a brave motor, so you need to say a okay, the toss to let the circle, tiny shot. There's the genuine proof. There's Jenny can never care. Make it as an audition of Shan. Cost like kiss every 3 you're going to unit circle usage. When you kiss the hen, you're going to unit circle usage. So we're raising the high proof your knees or the paper screw there, toss you go in the diagram. So short let's later Sean Shaw. Okay, now into later Shan, obviously it's a unit circle. Okay, so to call x against y axis to show like 1 unit. So reached to lean it malak within 3 and shaw. I guess malak with Ellen and shaw. So reached is without the thick well to so to just lock Ellen. So reached shaw and Ellen A equal O shan guji shan. So in head lean a had image gujin punch shan and shan so punch P. Reached the shan cosma cos A slash sin A. Because we need machine diva river. Catchwell cos A sin each other. Was okay lad catchwell cos A sin each other or jug was games in the vini reached. So you know any catchwell T will P cosma cos A sin A. No, right, so I'm back for each other. Right? I guess reached so reached Malachan to say I'm just going in the shot, just tiny much on the shot, right? Malachan to triantan shin 90 degrees, charting us lean G and us and shan. Shin triantan shin, right? So Malachan then you punch a P was and shot. Okay? Now reached Malachan sin Ellen is the shot. Shin Ellen is the shot, right? Now Martin angle I'm going to call A so an angle gal o shaw gujishan funny A. Now reached smuichi has say the angle August and shaw an angle shaw 90 degrees. Task going called cos A sin A charters smuichi has a hypotenuse shaw the opposite agushin the adjacent. So reached conny cabinet the same cos agus tan. Tan, hard to screen shot. Sine cos agus tan, so the same that Jeremy angle theta. Eh? Vaccine can contrast you so. Anyway. You can deny no. Copulation eventually. Right. Kan my text aquí. Well, she can swap on us, eh? Right. Merkin test the right angle triangle and show, right? To medinja kwartu, like smooth yes a punchy p and shun. Shun magic or Swiss and action guji shaw. So to me kwartu value y, I shun magic or tras to guji value and shaw. So really to me kwartu shun the y value, I shun the x value, which is your opposite and adjacent. Okay? I shun the hypotenuse. Now test ogni you go the hypotenuse. 1 unit. So 1. So fad 1. Okay? So test ogni you go h codum la heen. Okay? Now Mark screams that she's can be accusation. So we should quarter punch p. So that means to my quarter x against a y coordinate. Funny punch p. Do you get on your shan? My quarter the x and y coordinate funny punch p in short. Meet your coordinate or Cartesian plane. So we reached kinder yoma punch p in terms of the angle. So we reached angle theta and short has something shan go all sine funny fad shan y shan opposite over hypotenuse. So O hell, so test something called sine. Don Ellen, Golive Codumla, then you be opposite O hell, O is going H. So rate test some gushin Golive Coduma Y is going heen. So that means the Y coordinate Golive Coduma sine theta. So hence shin sine A, shin your Y coordinate. Your X coordinate shin cos that theta Golive Coduma X is going to A is going H, so shin X is going to heen. So these tasks will go to x coordinate Golive Coduma cos theta. So shun net market as there shun net you watch in the chartas. Okay, so to punch a p cos a sine a. What's in okay again? Okay? Goni Golive cos a sine a. So reached money will add the cabinet honor show. Just conic just fold them a punch a p will always be cos a sine a. Okay? Now shun ellen a more and shun. Okay, shot in LNB is the hin shot, so raise the punch shot shot, Golive Codumla, punch a Q, Golive Codumla, then you be cos B sine B. So the shin Golive cos LNB sine LNB. Okay, so raise the yeah punch go. Punch P, I guess punch Q in terms of cos A sine A, cos B sine B. Well, I'm in your okay, Lashan. Now, reached will lock me then you lean in us o p GQ. Har lean o p GQ. Now, Jane angle to Stephen Shaw. So in Ellen it is Stephen Shaw, shin can o shin GQ. So I call la A minus B. So shin an angle A minus B. Because the middle line Ellen A, I guess point B more has to mean 5 listen Ellen Shaw. So shin A minus B. Okay? Now, in the shin going. Tasgun nash to unit circle ogun to shin heen, tasgun go to shin guji shin codum heen, because it's a unit circle, and therefore usimage grind rules the geometry. So here rule to the locky a fad at the p equals q. Now, the fad at the p equals q, but then you cross the coordinate geometry the line. Tashin jantical surely from your junior set. Coordinate geometry the line, father to yeah function. So malak me then you father to yeah function. Tesogum so called PQ cosma square root x da luja x heen kernie plus y da luja y heen kernie. Now more label them in the punchy Sean Shaw. Okay, so more James session x heen, y heen, x da, I guess y da, tam Abbott formula linista. Okay, so she's in the formula or coordinate geometry the line. Merkin to the your table, just let's just bandiv, catch you all chat. Merkin to the your table for your coordinate geometry the line. Tasha Erlehana Shina. Alright, so to me good such a formula fad PQ. Tasha called my x dollar x heen squared plus y dollar y heen squared, length of PQ. So fad other yeah function. We'll land on you okay lashan. Okay? So to make good such a formula, so mean we back at you shot. Tá muid gúsa de formula sin lan fádal idir P agus Q. Now, rís just lína sead the formula. So tesum sin is gol fád PQ codum la square root x a dó or higlatol x a hí x dó. Nían sé da for cín dói label into open chester lama. So rís you to cos A minus cos B squared plus sin A minus sin B squared. Okay, so to just lína sead formula. Now, can you reach the square root? Can you reach the square root? Carninia 2. So next time we go to Carninia 2, so you to PQ squared. Okay, you to PQ squared because my Carninia 2 to shin codumla cos A minus cos B squared plus sin A minus sin B squared. And then just made the shin ligama. Now, my veil medin shinama cos A for cos A, you to cos squared A. Can you come with the cos A for cos A? That's cos squared A. So the cos squared A minus cos A for cos B is cos A cos B. And you double it because the mid made do square bracket. So we reach it 2 cos A cos B plus cos B for cos B, you to cos squared B. Well, on in your case, you had bracket made them up. And shin to me got plus made the sin A for sin A, you to sin squared A, plus or minus, because the minus on sin A minus sin B, shin minus 2 sin A sin B, because you kite a double out. As you can join the minus sin B for minus sin B, you to plus sin squared B. So shin we just made them up a bracket. Which is okay again. Now, O formula over here from formula 1, which the Cruthanna going, unit circle, test going, it goes to reach the father the function, test going goal cos squared A plus sin squared A, codum la here. So, merkin test are the graph on show. The cos squared A in show going, the cos squared B going, the sin squared A going, I guess the sin squared B going. So, run the enemy group limit you chin like hella. Okay, so run the go and chin, test going go chin codum la cos squared A plus sin squared A. Okay, I guess the raised to me fucking chin la cos squared B, so plus cos squared B plus sin squared B. So raised just come with bracket the shin. So to group we're going, and then to me fucking la minus da cos A cos B minus da sin A sin B. Well, on you okay, Lashan. Okay, now raised test good nash. Go cos squared A plus sin squared A codum la heen. So raised you much heen plus cos squared B plus sin squared B shin codum la heen. Okay, so raised you much heen plus heen minus da. I guess raised to me fakela. Higgling da factorize a master versa kusha. So raised to me fakela minus da bracket cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Because the race comes sharp plus and shim because my vid for minus da. Minus for plus you to minus. So nish ten parcha ugly. So race my clean my chin to me fucking shin la da minus da bracket cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Okay, I guess there's your bracket. Now shouldn't you part. Right? Now Mahima then you back in us gene diagram. So outcast the triantan. Okay, outcast the triantan shin and us. So malakma then you triantan shin to Mr. School hard sketch the question shop. Okay. Malakma then you triantan. So shin the triantan shin, we shin jadak, shin the P, shin the Q, shin the O. Okay. Acceleration angle A minus B. Is the shin, we going to go shin 1, I guess we going to go shin 1. So we must wait until say shin and us, right? We say with the cosine rule. Right? So race go back to the cosine rule. Test go say go A squared codum B squared plus C squared minus da B C cos A. Okay? So curmage A bigger shin, A more shin, shin the B, agus sin de C. So to me just go to the cosine rule fáin triantan sinna triantan cearna bheogann seo P equals Q. Okay? PQ in terms of a cosine rule. Now, reach A squared sinna fad PQ squared. So tá somsa ghfuil A sinna fad ó P go dtí Q squared. Codim le 1 squared plus 1 squared minus 2 fahin cos A minus B. Okay? Well, an in okay la Okay, so ma weten met dinge sinna má tá somsa na scoil PQ squared. Codim a hín plus hín sinna 2 minus 2 cos bracket A minus B. Okay? Now, reached malach met dinge in a formula sean seo agus the cyn journal bhí going hís and seo compared to both because the word codim a PQ squared. Because the seo codim a PQ squared agus the canella cyn sean seo codim a PQ squared higgin you vart her codim la hele. So reach higlum se skriven as well 2 minus 2 cos of A minus B brackets in context but anyway just ignore that. So test some to go shin codim la 2 minus 2 cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Well, I'm okay la shan. Just now show the okay. Codim sin A sin B. So to me just cut a yeah formula journal la hella. Now reach J Higlin Caluma to 2 minus 2 ogun shaw to 2 minus 2 ogun shaw in brackets, so that means Higlin Shin Caluma. So therefore to me la cos bracket A minus B agus the shin codim la cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Agus shin QED shin the proof. Okay, now Jidima Rodoine left. That is the most difficult ceannaton. Okay? Sinna ceannas deach le chaith ólam. Because the yeah fart to chaith ólam, but to reach it's all about the diagram. Ma higgin to léirheid, A ólam, tas go to for fad PQ, it goes edge geometry the line, to the for fad PQ, just in Russian rubber ni slu. To the for fad PQ, it goes at chantanart, goes at your cosine rule. Compare all the birch, so compare the reverse, I guess you to cos A minus B, cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Which is okay again. Okay? I guess shouldn't the head proof. Okay? Kirsten did you be? No, right today. We shouldn't jump to give me and it's wrong street tomorrow. Yeah, we'll rub take one is fairness, rubbing is fair. Okay, right, from Dre Jean Hake Shilla. Okay. Right, so shaking Ellen Chen to make Gary Cruhu. Now, to year rod and shaw climate we add the yen head we shall add the formula of the quick yen, right? So shaw rod the Harmage compound angle formula, right? So race just lock noted the shawl at the hop, right? What the cos 90 degrees minus A. Okay. To me get each chest branch go all cos 90 degrees minus A go all codim sin A. Climate in a hash branch. Okay. Now, ma auken tesse a formula to me jani cruhu. Testing go cos of A minus B codim cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So okay again. Okay, so the cos of A minus B codim cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Now, Marlene sister 90 degrees from your A, just to outline on your knees bomb which is all you do. Marlene sister ni ha came from your A, agus A from your B. Jet mogala. So test something is called cos of 90 degrees minus A nash codim cos A, so shin cos 90 degrees, cos B, so shin cos A, minus sin A, so shin sin 90 degrees, sin B. So it's the sin B codim A. Sin A. Which is okay again. So to me just to lock shot the A, shot the B, I guess to me just sub all the shots the formula. Was it okay again? I know 10 A's B's to the good A's B, yeah, where makes it a wee bit awkward, but at least jigging should be to my end. To me just sub all, when you A to me crush 90 degrees, when you B to me crush A. You're my chin. Now, my contested the lower tably. My contested the lower tably. Earlier in a 3 jig. Tesco gold cost 90 degrees. Codumla. Tishan? 0. I guess the sign the 90 degrees Codumla. Heen. So the medenya to shinu usage you can say sublasha. So the cost the 90 degrees Codumla heen. So you to heen or no, cost 90 degrees Codumla 0. So you to 0 cos A minus heen sin A. So therefore the shin Codumla minus plus a hard shin going to so plus so the shin Codumla sin A. I guess shin of proof then count shin janta. Now this is what we call compound angle. Okay? Right, which often is ik can only yen do it just to go correct to me yen. So the sine, which was a short up in this chapter, sine 90 degrees minus A Codumla cos A. Now, I could count you on a shot, right? So we get a crew in equals sine the 90 degrees minus A Codumla cos A. Now, reach conny come from part 1, or part you heed in shot, testing goal sine A Codumla cos 90 degrees minus A. Okay? So, reach higlums to short screw. Test something equals sine the 90 degrees minus A Codumla cos 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus A bracket because that's going to go sine A Codumla cos 90 degrees minus A so we add the sine the A then we add the screen as goes cos 90 minus A so it's cos 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus A. So I notice in rubber cast the hiking hat. You can show catch how much person is. So smooching us the cos 90 degrees minus A Codumla cos A. Can we get it in the crew? Oh, plus a hard tension go with this. That's just an error. Plus a hard tension. My right. So reached market assertion the sine 90 degrees minus A. Can we get it crew goes to Codumla cos A. Now more comes to sine 90 degrees minus A. So pretend called A in short is 90 degrees minus A. So test something goes in Codumla cos 90 degrees minus A. So he glums a 90 degrees minus I guess the net A in short can we say 90 degrees minus A. So there's just a sub or short is share. Okay, so raised in us test goes in Codumla cos 90 degrees Tashin Codumla cos 90 degrees minus 90 degrees plus A. So reach with the Codumla cos A. Okay, now Kahin always shouldn't be ugly. When you be adding kid couple of proof fella a yenny. Chuckish knees later on. So reach to that tire to get into vertication. Now they're not proofs of how to hold them off by heart, but just kind to add the actually kind to be ugly. Yeah? Okay. Right. When we drink Eugene had farm level quick. Right, so la crehu go all cos of A plus B Codumla cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Right, so shouldn't to me get a crehu. Okay? Now, to me go outside formula every care. So formula every care cos of A minus B Codumla cos A cos B minus plus and we could remember sin A sin B. Then we got to use a formula. Okay? Now, Kinder Jiglumse plus BL. He's in shop. So la plus BL, Kaimashin minus B shall swap la minus B. So Rottamugoli and shop, the Mugol scree she school cos of A minus B. So to still look at the formula shop, but to just call B cos minus B. Okay? Well, on the okay, Lashan. Yeah? Because tasking goal nation cosmla. Okay? To me, add in formula line share. Okay? So erased because to me, get plus. Now, go to the formula share, kinder you must plus B. Kaiman angle and shaw B at G minus B, because minus for minus you make plus. Okay? Now, more line to share formula share nash. So to Mugolel cos A cos minus B plus sin A made for sin minus B. Lan you okay, Lashan. So to me just correspond minus B and it will be. Okay? So Tasumson equal cos of A plus B, so that's minus for minus you to plus. Cosmla. Now, I could back your race could you the your table into Tarta. Back could you line at 3 jagger the your table. Line at 3 jag, I question shot, so corner Sean shot. I could shot. Test how you go cost of minus A going to go with cosmla cos A. So the cost of any negative angle will always equal to the cost of that same angle. So the correct cost of minus 90 should return the cost 90. To sin the minus A cosmla minus sin A. So to make good such yeah formula shouldn't it's just a formula. So just scream my chin stahan jadik or note, right? So reach my image rash. Could you shop and shop? Test so just note just come with and show note test going equal cost of minus A cosma cos A. Okay, I guess test going equal sin the minus A cosma minus sin A. Now, you that for A, B, C, it's all the same. Okay, so next time we add the show usage, we add the show line star. So next test going equal cos A made for cost of minus B in cos B plus sin A made for minus sin B. Well, and then you okay, Lashan, catch one more. So reach the sin the minus B cosma minus sin B. So shin the natural minus chart needs and show minus sin B. So we wait until more test we go cos of A plus B cosma cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Again, proof ever quick. We shouldn't fall take what we're bringing side even as catch what's in the charts. Okay? Right. Take Kinalash, formula ever she cos a do A cosma cos squared A plus sin squared A. Now, it's all very straightforward. So, I need to make your paper screw there. So, it's nice and simple. It reached to the good side formula very quick. So, O cos A plus B. That's going to go in cosma cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Okay, so the formula. Okay. Now, can you measure 2A? Kaima B at G. Kaima B at G A. So you have to cos of A plus A. So at A G B or B G A. Go with that. So to the A, because that A net B. So you have to A plus A. So it's very shin 2A did. So the shin cosmla cos A minus sin A sin A. It's an okay Yana. Okay, so the next test going go cos or hard for this be minus go with that should be a negative. So test going next go cos that do A Codumla cos A for cos A is cos squared A minus sin squared A. Agus sin formula ever sé. So fairly straightforward. Sin okay? Sin alright again now, yeah? Yeah, just over a short. Formula over a short. We get a Cruthanna equal sin that A plus B Codumla sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Now reached test going equal sin the A plus B. Reached got back to G the complementary angles from sample or majority T1 shot. So reached by major goosage. This is machine rubbing the slow. To me, got a goosage of virtual nash. The Ableton Conchon Shaw yen. So, okay, yeah, complementary, talking the Charles and Shaw. You've got loose edge of vertical Shaw or Kodak Shaw, the Ada Shaw V. Okay, now, that's going to go saying A plus B, Codumla. Then you be got to be Codumla cos bracket 90 degrees minus A plus B. Okay, so reached rubber cost as you can turn shaw, so you can turn shaw. To me just to go said sin the A plus B. So test can go sin the A plus B Codumla cos 90 degrees minus A plus B. Okay, now reached test can go sin Codumla cos 90 degrees minus A bracket reached minus B. So reached minus for plus due to minus B, I guess reached major bracket, so the yeah bracket is okay. Now reached Malachamedinian formula cos of A minus B formula every keher. So O formula every keher. Cos of A minus B Cosma cos A cos B minus or plus sin A sin B. So I'm just screwing Jarek. Okay. Now reached the cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That's good enough question Codumla. So goes at shaw cos shaw the A against shaw the B. Lean chin so you made cos the 90 degrees minus A made for cos B. So reaching cos B and then you okay listen plus you made sin A. So sin the 90 degrees minus A sin B. Now, O yeah complementary angle in shaw. Test kuninus gwal cos the 90 degrees minus A Cosma sin A. So reaching in rest question Cosma sin A made for cos B because it was made for cos B plus I guess test kun gwal sin the 90 degrees minus A Cosma cos A. So reaching in swap off when you cos A sin B. Okay. Again, proof every shot. Now, can the wine legend formula for art? Or to art legend took me dad lesson later on. Art I guess it's to nui legend. So you make nui nash, okay? Kid we. We joke lesson you don't swap it. Or you get a couple of moments here. Now to nui rubber cast it, but it reached I'm afraid be live and then we can move on. Okay. Great, you know let go away? Yeah, right. Right, so can join that. Just for the machine should just rub over to y'all. Right, so here can join that formula for the to make it equal tan the A plus B Codumla tan A tan B is gone heen minus tan A tan B. So sin rud le cruúga. Now, réist backagí de leor tabli. Ok? When you rashkagí de leor tabli, Elker seo, tá tána cosm na cása saoine is gan cása. So scrísin síos. Tá tána cosm na saoine is gan cása. Ok? So dé higlam sa dhéanú nas. Tá dé tugam tá tán compass brust. Right, so tá som sa gúil tána cosm na saoine is gan cása. Tá mu sé cuairtú tan A plus B. So swapal A, pwyn A plus B. So nes tá fáil tan of A plus B cosm le sin de A plus B is gan cos de A plus B. Now, tá agam sin formula pwyn sin A plus B. So réist go backagí na netro sin de A plus B sin ever a seart. Tá go sin cosm le sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Agus iscian, agus fásta testing goal cos of A plus B ever a formula ever a quick, cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So we'll land in your right catch where my sin, Gujishan. So raise to me just lean star formula for your sin A plus B, estimate lean star formula for your cos A plus B. Which is okay again. Now, raise Elker shot. Just to me quartun shot. Of course, you boy to my quartu. Sorry, you're machine rubbing smoothie. Right, to my quartu tan of A. So, can you my tan A? The tan A called my sin A is going cos A. So, these to sin A ogum, so J Kaima wrencher. Kaima wrencher cos A. Okay, I guess Kaima for rated the cos B, so therefore Kaima wrencher cos B. So, wrote the Muscolianu. The Muscoli wrench shaw. Or cos B or sin cos A cos B. So rud the end to running to top against the bottom or cos A cos B. Run your top against the bottom or cos A cos B. So rud to the golel sin A cos B around to cos A cos B minus to the golel cos A sin B around to cos A cos B. The league is gone. Cos A cos B around to cos A cos B minus sin A sin B around to cos A cos B. Okay, now this is cosm. Now reached taskum go cos B go le cos B. To cos A go le cos A. So therefore to my facula sin A is going cos A minus that's plus a hard than plus sin B is going cos B. So it's in the top line. If you bond to show a calumala shin where the way. So to my facula heen because I shouldn't stand to league caluma where the way. So you to heen minus and then to my facula sin A is going cos A for sin B is going cos B. And then to my dad, you shouldn't like us at her back to G tan. So this test going to go next equal tan that A plus B cosm la sin A is going cos A shin tan A plus sin B is going cos B shin tan B is going heen minus tan A maybe for tan B. Agushin the formula journal. Was an okay gan. Was in Robuk Nis Fossa Higval and Nashavina Yanini. Yeah? Yeah? Right. Right. Now, so it's in the formula St. Janton. Right? Now, Ramadrekaji Niyation to me just call a hashard a genu exercise 17.2. Okay, so touch major exercise 17.2. Addition here. Right. So 17.2 Tashmid la Kesh over the Heen. Now, that's what clue doing. By writing 75 degrees cosma 45 degrees plus 30. Right, so to without using a calculator, express cos of 75 degrees in third form. Right? Now, then you require to calculate cos of 75 degrees. Gan we goes a calculator. Okay? So note the require. We require to cos of 75 degrees gan calculator. Okay? Now chain what we go we goes now the lower tably early in a 3J. Okay? When we go to the lower tably early in a 3J. Now, Tescon Higlum to short screw more cos 45 degrees plus 30. Now, Marsh cream says she's a formula. Cos of A plus B quadrumla. Do you have the cos of A plus B quadrumla? Cos A, cos B minus sin A sin B. So lean them out the formula. Okay? Now, so testicum nash will cos the 45 degrees plus 30 degrees quadrumla. Cos 45 degrees made for cos 30 degrees minus sin 45 degrees made for sin 30 degrees. Lan you okay lasha. Shadish and Ekel, okay? Tan Jantiger? Yeah. Right. To reach lock 75 degrees, split us Shahanya Elena. So next to formula cos of A plus B. Kusha A plus B. A cosma 45, B cosma 30, lean is the formula. Now, O to your tably. Then you be adding to zero cos 45 degrees. One over square root 3, nagaji. 1 over square root 2, right. Why? Okay. J cos of 30 degrees. Square root 3 over 2. Minus sin 45. 8 sin 45. 1 over square root 2. I guess sin 30. 1 over 2. Right. So shini na sketches who made the shinama. So the shin quadrumla square root 3 is going to square root 2 minus heen is going to square root 2. Rather than your right catch with my son. So the made in top for top, bottom for bottom. Now, race because the vertical show identical, so the cost of fraction, Higgins in the screw more. Square root 3, Luigi heen, is going to square root, is going to square root da. It's the minus in jogging. Is it okay? I go send a screech inside. Inside form. Now, Hockler in the Hamplu. Chickens in the Hamplu sheets. Simplify. I would just forgive me, John. Then you be getting in a Hamplu. I'd say just the I got in the inside form. The Hockler the Hamplu. Can they Hamplu and Kira? How would you simplify it? Then you be, how would we simplify? Eh? PD? Fa? You'd multiply the top and the bottom by 2 square root 2, but in fair art, like, so, can you go to the room with charge rave? But the race to let us diagram, that's fine. Right? What's an okay again? Right. Trial gi hen cysio fyr y do yn sian. Trial hen cysio fyr y do. Sy'n formula when we go research need cysio fyr y do. So do tan the 75 degrees. So reach the shin cosma tan 45 degrees plus 30 degrees. Can you come in your login 45, 30, 60, 90. Shouldn't chain rod the higla usage. 35, 30, 45, 60, 90. Just an auditor page 3 jagger the lower table. Shouldn't chain angles higla usage. So hence split limit side tan the 75 is jahan yeah angle. Now test going on formula tan of A plus B is a cosma tan A tan B for 1 minus tan A tan B. So he can shinalina sta. So test going to equal tan the 45 degrees plus 30 degrees cosma tan 45 degrees plus tan 30 degrees is gone 1 minus tan 45 made for tan 30. Gasly. Oh, machine warning is the issue for no talking on right, J tan 45. Your table, page 13. 1 over square root 3. Huh? Oh, heen. Oh, lovely. Right. Plus tan 30. 1 over square root 3. This can heen minus heen made for 1 over square root 3. So raise them with 5 in a sla. So you to 1 plus heen is can square root 3 is can 1 minus heen is can square root 3. Okay. Now, chocolate I got machine in short form. 5 minutes to simplify as that. Oh, when should they simplify it? Right, so we need to simplify further. To make it a simplified sheets give 2 plus square root 3. So can the enemy chat? Right, head rod, screw, revert more single. Screw, revert more single fractions. Okay, so the single of a column la square root 3 plus heen is going square root 3. I guess he's free to the goal of square root 3 minus heen is going square root 3. So retest goodness question column square root 3 plus heen is going square root 3 minus heen. Okay. Now, can the numerator it on square root 3 give on? Made the top because the bottom from conjugate down. Bottom. Can we give a shine there's midget surge? That's a no then, no. Right. So raised to for square root 3 plus heen is gone square root 3 minus heen. I guess made the for square root 3 plus heen is gone square root 3 plus heen. I guess made the shinama. So raised square root 3 for square root 3 you to 3. Square root 3 for heen you to square root 3. Heen for square root 3 you to square root 3. I guess heen for heen you to heen. The leg is gone. Square root 3 for square root 3 you to 3. square root 3 for hien, you to plus square root 3 minus square root 3 minus hien. So reach to sin na caluma. So therefore, to mitfakala, 3 plus hien sin na keher plus 2 square root of 3 is gonna keher, or is gonna da. So frigere, you to da plus square root 3. So we just simplify. So these things we can do in rubber regression research. Okay? Stop that now. Right. You can hold in SG. Right. Right. Kiss you 3 and that's it. Then we do chalk 3 and then you know it's quick. Sharp. Quick, sharp, no. Injig against 3 right? It's finishing jump to funny wire and then the enemy copy can join right? Right. Can you see that? Alright? Oh, I know it's like it. Three, quick, sharp, nui, hinjig, trijig. All on. Okay, right. So reached pike starts to clear to the goose of the door terribly. Get into the habit of the goose of the door terribly. Pages 13, 14, 15. Why starts the habit of the goose of the shan? Because very should your type screwed leaving shot. To usage it. When you do it, why you shall lack the more and from evermore. Because very much you say, I lay or saw what. Well, because you were the chapter shows that. Right? Right. Let's just do that. I shouldn't still record that time. Right, we'll just call it in the pause or something. Right, so catch every quick tower that is reached. Just think outside the box. Rather than yenin morning ago hard so was. Right, so catch every quick J Hawks are doing. Now do given that alpha and beta are acute angles with sine alpha. So species to sine alpha, quadrumla short is going to be so quick. I guess do check root cos beta. Quadrumla quick is going to 3 Okay, now without using a calculator, we require to sine of A plus B. Now, lock me then you sine the A alpha plus beta. Did you learn? So reach smooth your formula. The sine the A plus B. So shin fun you sine alpha plus beta. Quadrumla so gene formula fun you shin. So reach you to sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So to make all the way good such a formula in the shop. Now, to sine alpha good will cos alpha good. Yeah, so kai much no bruma. So reach with your short because it's a acute angle, that's going to right angle triangle at all. So reach shin the angle alpha, shin the hypotenuse, shin the opposite, shin the adjacent. Now, test ogunye go sine quadruma O hell. Test can go on opposite quadruma short. Like test can go H quadruma face quick. So next time we add the A obruma. So the A go with quadruma. So the A squared plus short squared go with quadruma face quick squared. So the A squared quadruma face quick for face quick. Say here face quick minus cara 9. So the A squared quadruma 625 minus 49, then you be 576. Okay, so the A quadrumla, theta, then you be Your calculator brains will be ugly, no, 24 I think you be. Square root of 576?
Yeah.
24, right. Okay, 24. Now, so next test we can go A cosmos physica. So next test we can go cos alpha cosmos A is going H, so sin physica is going physica quick. So next time add the parts in the formula line is that. Okay. Now, do you right here in the funny canal, turn the right angle triangle. Custa beta. Test we go cos beta cosmos quick is going to 3j. Sin the hypotenuse, sin the opposite, sin the adjacent. Test good goal cos cosma O hell A is going H. So to A cosma quick, H cosma 3j. So raise goes to Pythagoras theorem. To O squared plus quick squared cosma 3j squared. So to O squared cosma K chaskan minus visa quick. O squared cosma K karakeha. So to O golve cosma do yek. So next test goal sin the beta golve cosma O is going H. So sin do yek is going to 3j. And next time I have the sin alpha plus beta obrima. So to sin the alpha plus beta cosmla sin alpha made for cos beta plus cos alpha made for sin beta. Okay, and therefore test going to score sin alpha cosmla gj chart is going to quick made for cos beta quick is going to 3 jig plus cos alpha physical is going to quick made for do jig is going to 3 jig. And then just operation the mark calculator. Chicken should run the run mansion. Chicken on and you run the run mansion. The alpha is beta, so height to 90-degree angle of Bruma. Okay, so the charts can fit a quick. Maybe if a quick is going to 3 jig, but the chart is going to chaska quick. Plus physica is going to fit a quick. Maybe fat do is going to 3 jig. Dus je te heet art more art is going to 3 heet fit a quick. So mean right. Like je te 3 heet fit a 3 is going to 3 heet fit a quick. Like je the head part alpha sin alpha plus beta. Next time we to tan alpha plus beta. So reach the tan alpha plus beta cosmla. Reach Google G the your tablet for your tan. The formula for your tan A tan alpha plus tan beta is going to minus tan alpha tan beta. Now reach the shin cosmla. Now tan alpha reach go to back of G alpha and show G the right angle triangle. We got back of G tan alpha shin O A. O is going A. So reach the ocean chart is going physica here. So the chart is going physica here plus tan B. O is going A. So shin do is going to quick. The leak is gone, heen minus chart is gone physica here, midifa do is gonna quick. And then just cushion the chart the calculator. So the 3 heet fysa 3 can try shape. Which is in? Oh yes, yeah.
See, like you mentioned, you have on page 3.
Oh yes, I. Right. Sine of 105, right? So it's the sine 105 degrees cosine. Gene split out this. I know, but you split out this chance. 60 is 40. 5. Yeah. So you have to sine 60 plus 45 degrees. No, the answer therefore you have to figure it. Okay. So reached you to raised to the square to sine A plus B. Right? So formula for your sine A plus B to the full sine A. So sine 60 degrees cos B, so cos 45 degrees plus cos A, so it's cos 60 made for sine 45 degrees. Now, do you sine 60? Square root 3 over 2 made for cos 45. 1 over square root 2 plus cos 60. Yeah, made for sine 45. 1 over square root 2. Change that for one which and just back to front. So you that for became balachon to. So reach to shin cosmna square root 3 is going 2 square root 2 plus heen is going da square root da. So figure you to 1 plus square root 3 is going 2 square root 2. Where's your shin?
No.
Can I take the contrast?